Hi guys, it's Nunu, and I just want to focus us for what we're doing in this class. We have just concluded week 6. Our week 6 notes are here, and I wanted to ask you to read these notes very carefully so that you're focused. And I wanted to remind you of one important thing that I included in this first bulleted point here. I collected this homework from you, the handout from the Chapter 3 readings. The link is right here. Let's see what it is. Open it. So I collected this handout from you. Okay. Now, why did I collect this handout? I wanted to make sure that you're working on this handout. I know you're not done with it yet. That's okay. I just want to see that you're progressing. I also collected Chapter 1, and I collected pages 151 through 154 of this little book. That was a quote work. I will go over all of this homework with you in class on week 7 next week. For now, I just want to look at your homework and make sure you are understanding it. I know Sui was concerned about this because she wasn't yet done with the handout. That's fine. I'm going to give us more time. I'm going to go over all of this work with you, not just the handout, but Chapter 1 and pages 151 and 154 of this little book. I collected this work because I want to make sure that you're completing it, that you are working outside of classroom, inside your head, studying, and also with me in class. Okay, I depend on you to do a lot of this work. You also need to do the week 6 work, which I can find in modules right here, or I can use this link, or I can click on this link. What you want to do is you want to look at the due dates. October 3rd, that was the handout that we're not yet done with, but I collected it from you. I just want to do a progress check. October 7th, you have work due this weekend. And October 14th, we have the quote on the curriculum, which you should be working on. But this is due this weekend, and what is due is listed here. Okay? That you have to post your work by Saturday and critique 2 peers' essays by Sunday. Now, what kind of essay are you going to write? It's just 2 pages, okay? But before you can write those 2 pages, you have other work to do. You need to create a reading methodology for nonfiction using Chapter 5 of this little book. You'll want to read these directions very carefully, okay? So that is due this weekend. Let's go back to home. Whoops, I went back to modules. Let me go back to home. And here I am in home right here. I want to remind you to read all the notes for week 6 and to do the homework. And I will work with you on our handouts, the Chapter 3 handout, Chapter 1, and pages 151 and 154 next week. Okay, have a good week.